know that 1 lakh today could potentially grow into 1 crore in the future? Sounds unbelievable, right? But with the right strategy, patience, and commitment, this dream can absolutely become a reality. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify finance and make your money work harder for you. Today, we are diving into a hot topic. How can you turn 1 lakh into 1 crore? Sounds like magic? It's not. It's all about smart financial planning, and you will be amazed by how achievable this goal really is. Stick around because in this video, I will show you 3 proven strategies to make this happen. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, there's something here for everyone. Let's unlock the secret to wealth creation. But first, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered what separates wealthy investors from the rest of us? It's not luck, it's strategy and discipline. And today we will uncover 3 strategies that could change your financial future forever. So let's start with the simplest method. Investing 1 lakh as a one-time lump sum, no monthly commitment, no ongoing contribution, just one solid investment. So this is the first strategy, and here's how it works. If you invest 1 lakh in equity mutual fund with an expected annual return of 12%, do you know how long it would take to grow into 1 crore? 41 years. Yes, 41 years. So your 1 lakh remains untouched and compounding does all the heavy lifting. Over the years, the returns snowball, multiplying your initial investment. It's slow but steady. So the lesson here, time is your biggest ally. The earlier you start, the less effort you need to reach your goals. Now strategy 2, which is lump sum plus monthly SIP. Now what if you could speed things up a little? So strategy 2 here combines a 1 lakh lump sum with a small monthly SIP of 2000 rupees. Sounds manageable, right? This approach gives your investment a double boost. The 1 lakh gets compounded over time and the monthly SIP adds to the growth. Let's crunch the numbers, shall we? So with a 12% annual return, this strategy can get you to 1 crore in just 25 years. That's 16 years faster than the lump sum only approach. So here's why this works so well. Your monthly SIP isn't just adding money, it's growing money. So each small contribution builds on the last, creating a powerful compounding effect. Now let's talk about strategy 3, which is the step up SIP, which is a game changer. So ready to supercharge your journey? Let's talk about the step up SIP. So this strategy takes things to the next level by increasing your SIP amount by 10% every year. So here's how it works. Start with 1 lakh as a lump sum and invest 2000 rupees monthly, but each year increase your SIP by 10%. Why? Because as your income grows, your investment should grow too. So with this strategy, you can reach 1 crore in just 20 years. That's almost half the time of the first strategy. All it takes is a little discipline and commitment to step up your contribution. Think of it like this. As your income increases, spending tends to increase too. But if you channel just a small portion of that increase into your SIP, you're not just earning more, you're growing more. Now let's pause for a moment. Which strategy sounds like a better fit for you? If you're young, but decades ahead of you, the lump sum strategy might work. But if you prefer a balanced approach, the lump sum plus SIP combo is your best bet. And if you are serious about fast tracking your money, the step up SIP is the way to go. So each strategy has its own merits, but the real question is, how committed are you to your financial future? Here's the golden rule of wealth creation. It's not just about how much you invest, but how long you stay invested and how disciplined you are. The power of compounding is like planting a tree. It grows bigger and stronger with time, but only if you nurture it. Remember, wealth creation is a marathon, not a sprint. And the earlier you start, the better your results. So what's stopping you? Start your journey to 1 crore today. Whether you're starting with a lump sum, a SIP or a step up SIP, the most important step is the first one. Hit the link in the description to book a complimentary investment plan consultation and let us create a strategy to turn your 1 lakh into 1 crore. Let's build a brighter financial future together. Thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.